Don't try to hold on to someone else. Hold the trembling hands of your own heart. Welcome, dear one. As you settle in for the night, allow yourself to let go of everything that happened today. Every task, every thought, every expectation. This is your time now, a quiet space where you can rest, recharge, and open your heart to love. Take a deep, slow breath in. And as you exhale, imagine all tension melting away. With each gentle breath, feel yourself arriving more fully in this present moment, safe, supported, and ready to soften. Tonight, we'll journey inward, not to fix or force anything, but simply to remember the love that already lives within you. Let this meditation be a doorway, a space where you can reconnect with yourself and with the person you love. Set an intention for your heart. May I be open to kindness. May I receive love as easily as I give it. And may our connection deepen with each breath. Now, close your eyes. Let your breath find its own rhythm. Easy, steady, natural. Allow your body to grow heavy and your heart to grow light. You are safe here. You are loved by yourself, by the universe, and by the soul that shares this path with you. Now, imagine a warm golden glow beginning to rise within you, like sunlight spreading through your body at the end of a gentle summer day. It's soft, calm, and full of peace. With each breath, the light expands, touching every cell, every corner of you that has been holding on too tightly. This light carries love, the kind that asks for nothing, the kind that heals quietly. Let it reach the top of your head. Feel your mind unwind, the noise fading like distant waves. Whisper to yourself, "My thoughts can rest now. I welcome peace." The light moves to your eyes and your face. Let go of the way you've been seeing yourself or your partner through old stories or fears. Invite softness into your gaze, the way you might look at someone you truly love, with understanding and tenderness. As the light travels down to your jaw and throat, release the weight of unspoken words, the tension of past misunderstandings. Let forgiveness flow, for yourself and for the one you love. You do not need to carry old sentences anymore. Now the light reaches your shoulders, melting away what you've carried for too long. Your arms grow heavy, your hands open, ready to give and receive affection freely. Down into your chest, feel the golden warmth cradle your heart, as if it's reminding you, you are safe to love, you are safe to be loved. Let your heart expand, gentle and radiant. Feel it pulsing in rhythm with the person you cherish, even if they are far away. Love does not need distance to find you. It already lives in your breath. The glow travels deeper through your belly. Every inhale fills you with calm. Every exhale releases the day. You are grounded, whole, connected to the flow of love that never truly leaves. The golden light continues to flow through you, gently guiding your awareness toward your hips, your legs, your feet. Feel how grounded you are, supported by the earth, steady beneath you, as if love itself is holding you from below. Now, imagine yourself walking along a soft path at sunset. The air is warm, carrying the scent of calm. Each step feels effortless, guided by something greater, a quiet knowing that you are exactly where you need to be. Ahead, a still lake shimmers in the fading light. The water is so clear it reflects the sky, and when you look into it, you see not only your own reflection, but the reflection of love itself. This lake represents your relationship, a mirror showing how the love you give yourself flows naturally into the love you share with another. Kneel beside the shore. Notice how the surface ripples gently with your breath. Every wave, every shimmer is a memory, moments of laughter, challenge, tenderness, and growth. Each one a teacher of how to love more honestly, more deeply. As you gaze into the lake, repeat softly within, I treat myself with kindness, and I treat my partner with care. The love I offer is the love I receive. Now imagine releasing into the lake everything that no longer serves your love, old pain, expectations, doubts. Let them drift away like leaves on the surface of the water. They do not define you anymore. In their place, see the reflection of something brighter, understanding, forgiveness, patience, trust. The golden light within you glows stronger and you feel lighter, freer, more open. You turn your gaze beside you. Your partner appears in the soft light, standing quietly next to you. You don't need words. Their presence says everything. I see you. I am here. We are safe. The sunset deepens and together you stand at the edge of that lake. Hearts aligned, souls still, bathed in the glow of love that keeps growing, quietly and endlessly. The world around you grows softer now. Above, the first stars begin to shimmer, quiet reminders that love is infinite, that even in darkness, light always finds its way. You and your partner stand beneath that starlit sky, bathed in the golden glow that surrounds you both. The air between you feels alive, a silent promise of honesty, of respect, of tenderness. Let your heart whisper, I am safe to be my true self in this love. I am safe to be open, to be seen, to be vulnerable. Each word settles gently into your body, like warm drops of rain nourishing dry soil. Gratitude begins to rise, for the love that has stayed, for the lessons that have shaped you, for the courage it takes to keep choosing each other, again and again. You breathe in deeply, and as you exhale, you feel the edges of your being melt into peace. Every muscle loosens, every thought quiets. You are home, within yourself and within love. Now let these affirmations drift through you like a lullaby. I choose presence. I choose vulnerability. I choose respect. I choose gratitude. And I choose love. Feel the golden light enveloping you both, not confining, but freeing. It holds you gently while giving you space to grow. Your bond is alive, breathing, evolving, expanding with every heartbeat. Whisper quietly, we are safe in our love. We grow together. We honor each other's freedom and joy. The lake behind you becomes still as glass. Stars shimmer upon its surface, countless reflections of love surrounding you. You feel grounded, whole, at peace. Now, as you lie down to rest, carry this warmth within your chest, the calm rhythm of your heart, the quiet presence of love resting beside you. With each breath, your body sinks deeper into the softness beneath you. The mind quiets, the heart glows. You are safe, you are loved, you are enough. Let yourself drift, floating gently into sleep, knowing that love continues to grow within you, even as you dream. Love is your nature, peace is your home, and tonight, both hold you tenderly as you rest.